In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the minimum age restriction on an Instagram account in simple and easy way. To begin, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on three bars, scroll down. Here you're going to find the Defend option. Click on the option account, type in tools. Click on switch to professional account. Click on next. Go ahead and select what best describes you and click on switch to professional account. Now select whether you are a business or a creator and click on next. After you switch to professional account, you will need to complete these steps. Now I can head back. Now you will be able to find this section of for professionals. Under that, you're going to find the option creator, type and tools. Click on that. Click on the option minimum age. If a minimum age is set, simply tap on it, choose remove and then confirm by tapping the check mark in the top right corner. After this, the minimum age restriction will be removed from your account. That's all there is to it, and your settings are now updated. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.